I believe that the future of education will be done online with creators as teachers, mentors, or coaches, and then each student join the school that aligns with his or her interests, values, and preferred methods of learning. Students, instead of going through into school system which teaches conformity, memorization, standardization, and convergent seeking in order to become a cog in the machine by being employees in this information and automation ages, the world of today where technologies are now doing jobs humans were employed to do in industrial ages. Students will go through the creator economy in order to pursue their curiosities by divergent thinking. Alright? They will learn skills that they can monetize with. They will acquire specific knowledge necessary along the way to become entrepreneurs and then start a real-world project without having or needing any piece of paper, because there is no gatekeepers on the internet. Entrepreneurship is a modern way of survival. Alright? The internet now gives everybody the opportunity and power to self-educate faster than ever has been existed in human history, just to educate yourself and then learn new skills you are interested in. So take it upon yourself, improve your life, pursue your curiosities, and then share the world your discoveries. Alright? My name is Bruno FX Magnet. I am a professional Forex trader and a digital entrepreneur. In this video, I am going to tell you the main questions to how to ask yourself before you start online Forex trading. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button so you never miss other useful lessons I am going to upload very soon. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Lesson 1 Part 5. Questions you have to ask yourself before you start online Forex trading. Question number 1. Do you have a clear major goals and a plan for achieving them before you start trading Forex? You have to be specific of money you want per month or per year from this business. Is it 1,000 of US dollars? Is it 10,000 of US dollars? Is it 100,000 of US dollars or a million of US dollars? You want per month or per year? Alright, you must be specific of money you want to take from the Forex market. Right? You have to set clearly defined short-term and long-term goals and write down all the action steps you must take to reach those goals with a daily deadline dates and review them day per day. After you've done that, immediately take action. Trading is the business where you need to learn and improve yourself to become a successful trader. It requires planning and discipline to achieve your goals. You don't have to come here for entertaining or to try your luck here. You have to be serious enough and know what you really want. Right? Jack Canfield once said that vague goals equal vague results. You must be sure of what you really want and then be disciplined by taking all of action required to achieve it. Now you understand, you must be ready and know which amount of money you want from the Forex market after mastering Forex trading courses. Right? Use what we call a checklist manifesto. Is to take a long-term goals and then break them into detailed lists of smaller tasks easier to finish. Organize from what you can do first to the last, and then don't procrastinate and hesitate to take action. Right? Becoming a pro isn't difficult. It comes from knowing what to do with time. It comes from knowledge, planning, and working. If you can see it in your mind and willing to work for it, one day you will make it. If you really know your why, nothing can stop you. Right? Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Whatever we focus on consistently tend to manifest in our lives. Tony Robbins. You have to set goals before you start learning these courses and know what you really want from the Forex market and the steps needed for you to achieve your goals. Right? Question number 2. How to ask yourself before you start online Forex trading. Are you prepared to put a lot of effort and time into learning how to trade? To succeed in anything, you need skills and knowledge in that field. If you are not committed to put a huge amount of effort, time and money to learn, you will never succeed in this business. Must be committed. Most people come here for looking a shortcut and some life hack that eliminates to do the work, but it doesn't exist. If you come here for looking the shortcut, you will never find it. Shortcut is a lie. You just have to do the work. You understand? The only way is late nights, early morning by learning. Practice, repetition to study, discipline. So make the decision, make the commitment and an investment in knowledge first, money will follow you. Having a vision and the necessary commitment to stick to that vision is what you need to make in life and become successful. Follow your own rules, follow your mind, follow your gut, and trust your intuition. You will make a difference along the way. Question number 3. Are you strongly willing to be successful in Forex trading business? This business is not for everyone. You must have a lot of passion about it. If you are the ones who want to try their luck, you will end up in among of the crowd who lose their money every day. Alright? You must have deep desire and intention to accomplish your goals. Jim Rohn once said that if you really want to do something, you will find a way. If you don't, you will find an excuse. Learn it. You must have deep desire to achieve your goals and learn before you think of taking money from the Forex market. As Napoleon Hill said in his great book, Think and Grow Rich, he said that the starting point of all achievement is a desire. Keep this constantly in mind. Weak desire brings weak results, just as a small fire makes a small amount of heat. Right? Napoleon Hill also said that if you do not see great riches in your imagination, you will never see them in your bank balance. Those who accumulated great fortunes first did a certain amount of dreaming, hoping, wishing, desiring, and planning before they acquired the money. Right? Question number 4. Are you prepared to sacrifice at least 6 months to 1 year for learning how to trade? Skills of Forex trading is like any other skills you can master as a professional, whether you are a lawyer, doctor, an accountant, or an engineer. It takes time to master these skills, but it requires less time to master Forex trading compared to other professional courses that takes 3 to 4 years of study. So give yourself some time and spend as much as you can to learn, because this is the only way to succeed in this business. Question number 5. Are you prepared to accept losses and failures as part of the business? You have to accept your losses as part of the business expenses. In this business, we risk money for making money. The most important is you have to manage how much money you risk and learn from your losses and mistakes you make. Fail forward. Are you understand? Mistakes are fine. We need them to learn from. Failures are fine. We learn and grow from them. Those who succeed are the ones who don't stop at one failure. They don't stop at 100 failures or even 1,000 failures or millions of failures. They say that this is my goal. I will do whatever it takes to achieve them. I will learn the lessons from every failure first. I will work harder and smarter, and I will never quit until my dream become a reality. That's the difference between success and failure. Failure is so important. We speak about success at all the time. It is the ability to resist failure that often leads to greater success. I have met people who don't want to try for fear of failing. J.K. Rowling, person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new, but Einstein said. So keep practicing and learning from your mistakes. Don't think in terms of making money as fast as possible. Think in terms of becoming an expert of what you do, and then money will follow you wherever you are. Learn it. Question number 6. Are you prepared to backtest extensively your trading strategy before you confirm that it is working for you? You have to take at least 100 trades in different periods of time as you planned in your trading plan before you confirm that your strategy is working for you. Are you prepared to take your own full responsibility for trading decisions you will make? It's okay to read others' opinions and the signals they send and the analysis they make about the market, but do your own analysis before you pull the trigger. Learn it. Don't blame others for the mistakes you make in the market. You are the only person responsible to enter the order in the market. If you blame others, you will never find a way to improve yourself, learn, and then grow. Right? Guys, be prepared properly. Master all of these lessons. I'm going to teach you. Each career requires good education in order to succeed. So does in Forex trading. Be consistent, profitable trader requires massive amounts of discipline. Without discipline, it's nearly impossible to succeed in this business. That's why new traders fail. After covering all of these courses, you will build a good trading plan. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. You will set a good entry and exit rules and money management rules. Those rules will guide you. You will stick to them and then be disciplined. Recognize the challenges, lower your expectations in your first year of learning, seek help when necessary, start on demo accounts, backtest more your strategy on demo, and then fund little money on real account after backtesting your strategy on demo. Start small by using small lot size and then grow bigger. Guys, work harder and smarter in silence and then let your success make the noise. My name is Bruno FX Magnet. I am a professional Forex trader and a digital entrepreneur. If you want to make it in Forex trading, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. See you next time.